Hello, I'm your host Shane Fisher. Welcome to 15 Minutes of Bible Study or Less. And today we're going to be having a new series that I've always actually wanted to do called the Christian Periodic Table of Elements. You see, my strong suit in school was not science. Don't get me wrong, I love to learn about science, but when it came to really studying for it as a school subject, it was really tough. As a freshman in college, I had to take Dr. DeLay's class on physical science. That was one of the most difficult semesters I've ever faced as a student. Same can be said for me about chemistry. I like chemistry, but I'm terrible at it. One thing that I love about chemistry is how vast and complex it is. You can look on the periodic table of elements and see all the elements that man has discovered and the findings of the universe as to what makes it up. It is truly the handiwork of God. As Psalm 19 verse 1 says, the heavens declare the glory of God and the firmament shows his handiwork. Romans 1 verse 20 says, for since the creation of the world, his invisible attributes are clearly seen, so that they are without excuse. And so we see how vast and complex the universe really is. When I was in my teenage years, I thought about an idea for a book. What if there was a book that was not about the elements of chemistry, but about the elements that ought to make up the Christian life? What would that look like? So I started to plot out a chart in which I took each element of the periodic table of chemistry, or of elements, and I attached a spiritual significance or meaning to it. For example, instead of helium, which was H on the periodic table, I switched it to humility. I wanted a series that would serve as a companion guide to growing deeper in our fellowship with God as Creator and Redeemer. I wanted a series in which we could dig up nuggets of truth from His Word. I hope that I will accomplish that with these series of videos. I pray that these videos will help you to grow in a deeper relationship with the God of heaven.